Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're in England, in New Hampshire, and we are going to look around the National Train Museum here in New Hampshire.
Put the camera away.
Alright, it is Saturday, the 10th of August. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, we think. It is in August. And we thought, because we have the day off, we have the whole day to ourselves, so we thought that instead of doing something fun and relaxing and enjoyable, that we should go and look around a train museum in York. Because it's free. And why have fun on your day off?
It's your idea.
It's not my idea. So we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna see if it's any fun. Yeah?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's incredibly windy. We're just walking through Museum Gardens because I think we have to go through the train station to get there. We think. We're not 100% sure how to get in, we just know that the place exists. But it all adds to the adventure, doesn't it? Yeah.
Trains must be near a train station.
You'd think so. You'd think so, Jessica. I can't wait, I'm so bloody excited. We are seeing signs. We are seeing signs. We are getting ever closer. Apparently.
Little map. Real news where.
Train.
Just a gift shop.
Yeah. Oh, we'll have to get a t-shirt. The Malard. I don't know if I want to go on the Malard. Have a fruit salad on the Malard.
And it prints it. I'm not wasting a pound.
You have to put money in it.
Yeah. No.
What was that say?
There's one of these with pirate ships.
Yeah. A low-key motive. Pretty dang cool. Well, I don't believe it.
It's nicknamed the Crab.
It's the crab. So, we've just seen a sign that was from back in the day, and it was offering a first-class train ticket and ferry ticket to Australia from England for £140 there and back. That's insane. That's for first class as well. Jess would obviously go third class, but I mean, I was just thinking for myself, how nice that would have been.
Trains with you to there and back again.
That's nearly half an Australia ticket. So this is a train where they deliver your letters, and it does smell. It does smell.
What's the smell?
The train smell. All the way down.
Chuka 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 chuka. So it's really cool around here because we do all the steam rides, you get to have a go and everything, but you have to pay, so we're not doing it. But it's nice, it's a nice idea. Look, it's the first train. That's what he does. He dresses up.
No, he doesn't dress up. That's what his uniform is.
No, does he dress up?
No.
He dresses up like a milkman.
Can I borrow your hat? Can I borrow your hat, sir?
So we are currently just visiting Jess's idea of Hell on Earth, the gift shop. She likes all the ideas, she likes all the gifts and such, but whenever she tries to take them, people just ask her to pay for it and she gets very offended. I wanted a t-shirt.
Yeah.
It will fit me. It will fit my brain.
That's better.
It's of the Millard.
Peter's Railway, Grandpa. Goes bananas. Oh, it's too many words.
Little Peter, the Peter Railway series. PetersRailway.com.
Peter's Railway activity book.
Whoa. Oh, Tess. Right, well that didn't quite go to plan because we ended up both buying something.
I got a lanyard.
I got a t-shirt.
You spent more.
Yeah, oh well. I like it.
Look, it's me.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, wait. Well, this really is great.
I'd like to live in one of these model things. I would.
Live in the model.
We just go over there.
Now don't touch anything because it'll start moving.
So this is where I'd be, up top. Jess would be down there shoveling coal. And
Real man's work.
yeah. Give me all these knobs.
Just like you.
Fastest train ever.
So we are just on our morning commute. Just kidding. Just kidding. We're still in York Railway Museum. This is the bullet train. I travelled on a train for an hour and a half to come here and sit on a train.
An hour and a half.
Give or take the weights.
This is second class, my dear.
This is second class. No, I won't stay here long. So this is how the riff-raff live, is it? Ambulance train. This is the coolest thing ever.
I know you need to go over there, but let's see where we can find out.
There's a man on it.
I know. So, without further ado, we have just seen the best train ever to have been created, and it is in front of me now. The Millard. Jess, do you want to touch it? Oh, we've touched the Millard. Okay, that about concludes our trip to the York Railway Museum. It was very, very fun. Now we are going to stay out for a little bit, aren't we? And see what there is to see.
So where are we?
In dusk.
What are we doing in dusk?
Just having a refreshing brew.
A pint. Don't you?
So we just found out that we can use the vouchers from McDonald's for veggie burgers. So we've got our dinner for the way
So
home.
what have you got for your dinner?
I've got on for my dinner 2 sausage rolls from Holland and Barrett, 2 pork pies from Holland and Barrett, obviously porkless, both things, veggie burger, chips,
And a sweet kiss.
But we're just heading back now to the house to have our lunch and maybe watch a movie.
We're going to watch American Psycho.
We are back. It just started to rain, just a little bit. It was getting heavier and heavier the more we got closer to home. But we are back inside. This is there starting on the food. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna go watch a film, aren't we? Mm-hmm. We don't know what we're gonna watch quite yet. It's between the new Chris Evans Netflix thing and American Psycho, which I've seen before, but you haven't. It was very good. So we are heading to London on Wednesday. Bear in mind it is Saturday today. We're heading to London on Wednesday until Friday for my birthday, just a little trip away. So we're just sorting out our tickets and printing off everything that we need. I thought it was a good idea for Jess to use her guillotine. So this is it.
That sounded better.
Whoa. So it is evening time and we watched the film. I enjoyed it, Jess didn't. Now we're going to listen to some music and we're going to play chess. Because that's what we like to do on Saturday evenings. Did you bollocks?